Well, it's that time of the holidays where you have to start planning on your Christmas tree. But what about thinking about a living Christmas tree? I'm at A&R Nursery out in Woodland, Washington with Ron Van Meter. And Ron, this is a brand new facility for you.
It is. We just started this year. We had a wholesale nursery here before, and we have just started a retail location here.
And it's really a long family business, third generation. It's amazing.
Third generation. We're very excited for the next generation to come on and take hold and move it forward for us.
Excellent. And you're starting with something that's a little different. Instead of a cut Christmas tree, a living Christmas tree. So tell us a little bit about it, because it's just a little bit different for us.
We are so excited about offering the Living Christmas Tree program. This year we were able to offer 12 to 15 varieties. We're going to offer the traditional Doug fir, noble fir, grand fir, but in addition to that, we have some of the most unique grafted conifers that we have that are unique to the Northwest.
And so they're pre-decorated too, like this one. I can get this one just like this?
You could get this one just like this. We have we can pre-decorate this for you,
excellent.
or you could take it home and decorate it yourself. And
right.
This is a spruce called Picea orientalis gowdy. It's an orientalis spruce, and it's one of the most unique slow semi-dwarf spruces in America.
Amazing. It's amazing. And you can get like a blue spruce, which is wonderful. And then I love this one that's like a two-tone.
This is a Abies true fir called Abies coreanus Hortsman silverlock, and it has this stomata that wraps around
Beautiful.
And gives it a two-tone effect. It has this beautiful purple cone that will come up to on the fall as well. So adding another little element that makes it unique to the trade.
And I love that you've decorated it for maybe outdoors, because we don't have to bring Christmas trees inside, because sometimes our houses are too small.
So if you had a patio where you would like to have a live Christmas tree but don't have the space inside, this would be a plant like this would be something that you could enjoy on the outside. You could feed the birds and have hummingbird, have all these sorts of things come into it as well.
Nice. And so how do we really take care of a living Christmas tree? Because you can't bring it in for weeks and weeks.
You can't. What you want to do is you want to transition it in. So you want to bring it in, you want to give it a day or two underneath a carport or into your garage, and then transition it into the home. And then leave it there for a week, maybe 8 days or so, and then transition it back outside, back to the carport or into your garage. And then from there, it can stay in the pot, and you can take your time to plant it if you want to, or you can leave it on your patio for a while as well.
That's nice. You don't have to plant it right that week after Christmas time.
No, you would have all the way till late spring, early summer to plant it at that point.
And really, so you're kicking off the whole holiday season with some things going on here at the nursery. So tell us about that.
We are. So we're very excited. We're going to kick off a Black Friday, and we're going to have a s'more holiday event. Yeah. So we really want you to bring your family out, bring your kids out. We're going to have s'mores, a fireplace. We're going to have hot dogs and cocoa and all that sort of thing. So we really want to make this a family affair. Come out, enjoy our new facility. Our wonderful staff will be able to answer all your questions about all of our unique and wonderful trees, and make this a really great holiday experience for you and your family.
And Ron, the decorating just doesn't stop with the trees here, does it?
No, it does not. We have wreaths, and we have other products that you could come out and enjoy. We have some small items that we think that would be of interest as well.
And cut greens to choose from too?
We have many different types of cut greens that you could come out and put together your own products for your own, make your own wreaths as well. And we have people on staff that could help you with that process as well.
And have a s'more.
And have a s'more. You know what? One s'more is another s'more.
He's got a great sense of humor. So go to gardentime.tv and we'll click you over to their website and their Facebook page, get all the information and the directions to get out here. But really, it's a fun day to come out with the family and meet everybody out here at A&R Nursery. Thanks so much. This has been great to meet you.
Thank you so much. We really do welcome and thank Garden Time for coming out and spending time with us.
Oh, well, you're welcome.
Thank you.